Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. So first is how many kgs of squid did he buy, and second is how many kgs of prawns did he buy. So 1 kgs of squid is equal to rupees 50. So next is Bashir has rupees 100. 1/4 of money he spends on squid. So 1/4 means 1/4 of the total, and total we have is 100. So this comes out to be 100 upon 4, that is 25 rupees. So he spends 25 rupees on buying squid. So 1 kg of squid costs rupees 50. So in 1 rupee we can buy 1/50 kgs of squid, and we have to find out how many kgs of squid can he buy in rupees 25. So in 25 rupees, Bashir can buy, that is 25 divided by 50. So this 25 divided by 50 kgs of squid. So 25 divided by 50, that is, so in rupees 25, he can buy half kgs of squid. So 25 divided by 50 comes out to be half. So that is, in rupees 25, he can buy half kgs of squid. Next is, he spends 3/4, that is 3/4 of the total money. Total money here is 100 on prawns. So this is for prawns. So we have 4 into 25, we get 100. So this is 3 into 25, that is rupees 75 on buying prawns. And cost of, or price of 1 kg prawns is rupees 150. So in 1 rupee, Bashir can buy, that is 1/150 kgs of prawns. So in rupees 75, he can buy, so on dividing this 75 with 150, 75 upon 150 kgs of prawns. So that means in rupees 75, he can buy 75 2s are 150, that is half kgs of prawns. So he buys half kgs of prawns in rupees 75 and half kgs of squid in rupees 25.